Hi, Prime Minister. What's your message to Canadians planning to travel domestically over the holidays?
My message to Canadians, first and foremost, is I understand this sucks. Nobody wants to see Omicron arriving. No one wants to see the level of communicability we're seeing in communities, in provinces right across the country. This is not what anyone wanted for our Christmas holidays. Not much in the last year and a half has been what anybody wanted. Fortunately, we've seen what Canadians are capable of. We've seen what people are able to do to keep each other safe. And that's what we're going to stay focused on. Families, I know, will be thinking about how to keep their loved ones safe, keep themselves safe, but also how to have a bit of a moment of respite, a bit of healing, a bit of celebration at the holidays. Different provinces are bringing in different rules around what is allowed for gathering sizes and travel. The federal government regulates international travel, and we're giving people the advice that you really shouldn't travel. And anyone coming back to Canada or coming into Canada is going to face extra barriers on testing. We're going to try and test as many people as possible on arrival to try and keep case numbers down. But the reality is Omicron is here in Canada, and we have to cut down community spread. So Canadians will, I know, be continuing to demonstrate the thoughtfulness and the care that they've shown, not just for themselves and their loved ones, but also for healthcare workers and frontline workers and our healthcare systems that have come so close to being overwhelmed time and time again, to keep the case numbers low, to, yes, have a good holiday season, but to do it safely.
I know it sucks to be in this situation. No one wanted to see this another possible wave of COVID-19 during the holidays. The Omicron variant means that, unfortunately, we'll have to, again, be very careful. In the federal government, we are recommending not to travel internationally. And for Canadians coming or returning to Canada, they will be tested as much as possible to ensure safety. But the reality is that Omicron is here and is beginning to circulate in our communities, and we have to get together carefully by showing others that we care about them, show them what we have done for long months, for a year and a half, which is to follow the public health directives, to protect our loved ones, yes, but also to prevent the health system and those who've worked long years in our systems to be overwhelmed by a new wave. It's not something we wanted, of course, but what we want even less. And this is why we have to be careful during the holidays. We don't want to spend a winter being overwhelmed by another enormous COVID-19 wave. And I know we can count on our neighbours and on Canadians to do the right thing.